Alright. I got a 1996 Yamaha Wave Raider 1100. And my problem is that it was riding on the lake, and apparently it just stopped suddenly. The guy kind of freaked out who was riding it. He got off of it. He was kind of struggling, holding on to it, pulling water over it. It flipped. He rolled it back over. It got towed by a boat. It flipped some more. It got a lot of water in it. But now all the water's out of it. And when I try to do the spark test, let's see if I have good ground right here. This should work. Yeah, come over to this side. I get this. Nothing. I got no spark amongst all three plugs. My screen does not light up. I got nothing. This is a brand new carburetor, brand new fuel pump. It was running fine. It's got oil, it's got gas. That's stock setup. I've tried to unplug the black and white wire back there for the start-stop switch. Didn't really come amongst any results, but I do want to know if this is normal. See, up here, I can push the start button and tell me if when I push this button while I'm pressing that button, should it override and stop the engine? Let's see, we gotta do this right. Nothing stops. So I don't know if that button is bad, but yeah, some help would be really amazing from anyone who knows anything about these jet skis. Alright. Leave them in the comments. Tell me what I'm being stupid about. I'm leaning towards this, maybe the CDI, but it was perfectly dry. I mean, this thing got a lot of water in it, but that CDI was perfectly dry. My ignition coil is sealed still. It's never been opened, so yeah. Tell me what I did wrong.